Alright guys, so this is my 1996 Integra. It needs heaps of work, way more work than my other one, but no, it should be a good project. Inside you got some racing seats which were installed by a previous owner. The back is just fully ripped out, needs a lot of work in there. Same with the door trims. Gauge cluster needs to be changed out because that looks ultra vintage, and yeah, not too much else inside. Looking around the front is where it needs a lot of work. This needs new bumper, headlights. Previous owner had some issue with the front headlight here. Water was in it, so I'm going to try fix the old one. I've got that in the garage. But just needs panels put on, needs paint or a wrap or something. It's already been partly sanded down. I don't know why the previous owner tried to make it black. This color was very nice. But yeah, we'll get it sorted, get it looking good in like 3 or so weeks. Sanded and ready for paint. I'm going to be using rattle cans just for a cheap DIY job, see how well they can do.